An important part of being sea otter savvy is learning to recognize sea otter behaviors. This is a sea otter grooming his fur. For sea otters, fur is their only insulation from the cold ocean, and keeping it in good condition is essential for survival. Somersaults, rolls, bubble blowing may look like play, but this is the serious business of grooming. Using their paws, flippers, and tongues, they spend hours each day maintaining the air layer formed by their interlocking underfur, creating a furry dry suit to keep them warm. Having no blubber layer, they rely completely on this dense fur to insulate them from the cold ocean. Otter pups must learn grooming techniques by watching and mimicking mom. After grooming every square inch of coat, the grooming process slows to a gentle combing with paws, dry fur on the head and extremities and belly, and eventually sleep. Use your new awareness to respect, protect, and appreciate the essential behaviors of sea otters.